Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is BNP landslide gives India a chance for a reset in ties. This is about Bangladesh elections. Now let us talk about the background first. What exactly happened? Bangladesh recently held elections. The BNP, Bangladesh Nationalist Party, won by a huge margin. Earlier, Bangladesh was ruled for many years, around 15 years, by Sheikh Hasina and her party Awami League. Now, India had a very close ties with Sheikh Hasina's government, but after political unrest and Hasina's exit, relations became uncertain. Now that BNP has won strongly, India has a new opportunity to rebuild the relations. Now, why exactly is Bangladesh important for India? See, that's very important because think of Bangladesh as India's close neighbor who shares a long border of over 4,000 kilometers. That's the longest border we share with any country. Trade routes, river like the Teesta, cultural and historical links, security concerns, terrorism, illegal immigration. So whatever happens in Bangladesh affects India directly. And what exactly is the main issue? The article says the previous BNP governments had tense relations with India. Now, with a fresh mandate, India and BNP have a chance to reset the ties. But there are challenges. These are the several challenges that have been mentioned here. And let's talk about the multiple dimensions of this article. See, the first dimension is the political dimension. So India was seen as a very close to Sheikh Hasina. BNP may feel India supported her too much and India must now show neutrality and build trust with the new government. Second is the security dimension. In the past, there were concerns about anti-India groups operating from Bangladesh. Under Hasina, security cooperation improved, but India wants this cooperation to be continued under BNP. Then there is an economic dimension. Bangladesh is one of India's biggest trading partners in South Asia. India exports electricity, goods and invests in our infrastructure. Stable ties mean better trade and connectivity through rail, road and ports. Then there is a geopolitical dimension as well. China is increasing influence in Bangladesh, infrastructure projects, loans, and India does not want to lose the strategic pace. So the Bay of Bengal is very important for Indo-Pacific strategy. Then there is a domestic politics in Bangladesh dimension. Now, BNP has links in the past with the Jamaat-e-Islami. Minority protection and secular politics are sensitive issues. India will watch how BNP handles minorities and extremism. What is the article's core message is that the election results is a challenge for India but also an opportunity. If India acts smartly and respectfully, it can rebuild trust, maintain security cooperation, and compete with China's influence, strengthen regional stability as well. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of the article. This is highly relevant for GS paper 2, for GS paper 3 and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.